Hi, I'm here at the Keysight booth to explain our double pulse tester, PD5050. So this is the tester to characterize dynamic characteristics of power semiconductor devices and power semiconductor power modules. So here we have the actual systems. So this one is the power module. Power module with the interface board. The green one you see here is the interface for the testing. It has a shunt resistor as well as probe connectors and so forth to make the measurement nice and easy. And also you see the gate driver board integrated to this interface board, which is very universal and easy to use. And we put lots of technologies into this system, like RF compensation that I just mentioned earlier. And also the probes hold like this to allow the accurate measurement. And it becomes very important to characterize dynamic characteristics of power devices because of the wide-bandgap device employment in the industry, which has a much faster switching speed than previous generation of semiconductor devices. And therefore, it's very important to have a high bandwidth for the current characteristics measurement, for instance. We do have very integrated and very safe systems. As you see here, we have a safety enclosure which protects the user from any potential damages. And also we have a scope and the function generator, power supply, and the safety systems, or safety boxes. Double pulse test is to give the 2 pulses to the devices, and which makes the turn on the device and then turn off the device with the at the edge of the first pulse, and then turn it on again with the single double pulse. You have off characteristics and the on characteristics of the power device or power module. So it's very easy method to characterize switching characteristics, and also it's a kind of a standard method, but it's not very easy to do because of the high speed of the power devices. We do use the shunt resistor to have a higher bandwidth of the sensor, which goes up to a few hundred megahertz, which is sufficient for characterizing the wide-bandgap devices. And also for that one, we use the RF compensation to make the current accurate and consistent. The system goes up to 1,000 amps for sourcing and 2,000 amps for measurement. And also the voltage can go up to 1.36 kV. This is the software controlling this PD5050. And as you see, this is a nice graphical user interface. And on the left-hand side, you have a pane to enter the test conditions like gate voltage and target drain voltage and also target current. So it's really easy to use, just filling in the parameters into this pane. And on the right-hand side, you see the actual measurement results taken from the scope in the system. And you have switching characteristics automatically extracted, like on-time, off-time, switching loss, and so forth, which are very important parameters for the power semiconductors. And also, the other thing which is very nice and good is this measurement history. So as soon as you make any measurement, it's automatically stored in the database and also shown up here. And if you click on one of them, you can recall the measurement with that exact same test condition. So you can apply that to the any other devices you want to measure or duplicate the measurement. So so that's about it. And thank you very much for paying attention.